All right, documenting continuation of the Wally build here. So here's the frame parts that I had prepped yesterday, basically countersinking and tapping, and have those prepped. This here is the extrusion that I had designed to be in between the chassis, and this is cut and made by Framing Tech. You can design this in your CAD software and send it over to them as an assembly step, or however your CAD software goes out, and they'll custom make the extrusion for you and put in all these fasteners. These are called universal fasteners in their system, and they simply just slide in and lock into place. So today's adventure is going to be assembling that, assembling the frame, quasi squaring everything up to see how it all fits together, and hopefully we have a frame with our extrusion installed. Let's do this. Here we have the chassis assembled along with the extrusion. Still a little bit of squaring up, I think, that needs to happen once the mechanisms come in the sides and the neck goes on. We're going to test the neck next, but so far so good. Happy with the results, and we'll see how the next part comes out. All right, end of day 2 progress. We have the frame together. We also assembled the neck here. So that came together really well. A little bit more prep work that needs to get done. Overall, not bad for 2 days of work. I'll take it. Next, we'll go ahead and do a little bit more prep up here to add in the neck joint, and then we'll add the head mechanism as things go. I do have a couple parts that are waiting to come in, but in the meantime, we can build the arm rotation mechanisms for each side and get them installed.